Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Sensorineural neuropathy and its conditions. So what are the conditions? It includes the diabetes mellitus. So there is DM. DM stands for the diabetes mellitus. Then there is presence of uremia. Next is the porphyria. There is also the porphyria. And there is a cryoglobulinemia. There is globulinemia. And there is also involvement of the drugs. So drugs such as amiodarone, then is the isoniazid. So amiodarone, then there is isoniazid as well as the metronidazole. So there is amiodarone, isoniazid as well as the metronidazole. Next is involvement of the toxins. The toxins involves the arsenic. So toxins, it involves the arsenic, and then there is a diphtheria toxin. Next there involves arsenic, then there is diphtheria toxin as well as the organophosphates. So to recap, we talked about the sensory neuropathy condition. So it includes the DM, the uremia, porphyria, cryoglobulinemia, drugs such as amiodarone, isoniazid and metronidazole, and toxins such as arsenic, diphtheria toxins and the organophosphate. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.